Welcome to YOUCANIC. This is a 2018 Kia Soul, and on this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace the tail light, especially the reverse light at the moment. You're going to see 4 screws that you're going to need to remove. These are just a P2 screw. Okay, so we've got the screws removed, and you'll be able to remove this whole thing. They're going to have some pins on this side, so you just want to kind of get your fingers under and just put some pressure on it, pull it straight out. And now we've got that pulled and removed. And now there's just an electric connector back here that you're going to squeeze this tab here and pull it away, and then that way you can remove the whole thing so that you can go through the process of replacing all the lights that are inside here. Now we're going for the reverse light, which is this bottom one on the inside, and so we're going to twist that a quarter turn to the left, be able to pull that out, and then this light bulb is just one that you pull out, and it's got a little tab on there. And this light bulb here is a 921, and so you'd get a 921 to be able to replace this one if it needs be. And then you just line up the prongs there, squeeze that into place, and that is your light installed. And then just put it back in the hole there, turn that a quarter turn to the right, and that is how you would replace the reverse light. Right here are the tabs that were holding it in on this side that you needed to hold a little bit more, or apply some pressure to pull it out. Right, so you would connect this electric back up if you're replacing just the housing because it's cracked or broken for any reason. And then you just line up the little tabs there. Apply some pressure, push it in, install your 4 screws. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.